my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you.
Happy birthday, Mami! Salamat po sa pag-aalaga niyo po sa amin ni Ate. I love you po.
Hello! Happy birthday! Tumatanda ka na. May puti buhok na. Happy birthday! Sana makapasa ka sa exam na tayo makaalis sa Pilipinas. Yun ha? I love you.
Putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside.
Hello, mahal ko. I love you. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mong to. At salamat din sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin, lalo na sa ating mga anak. Happy birthday. I love you.